So my app now, I'm not technologically really good, but the app, first of all, it tells me, I get a beep and it says, your Powerwall is providing power to your house, and then it'll show me on the app how long it's been, how often, and I was able to take that to PSE&G, and then they said, you're right, your power has been out, and there's a brand new pole and transformer out there because of it. So today, my Powerwall said, there's a storm coming, red flag warning. I wouldn't know this. So my Powerwall automatically switched itself to charge to 100%. So even if I'm not home, it takes care of it. In case the power goes out, I have batteries that will last days. And if I use the power, at night, it'll recharge it during the day automatically. The panels recharge the battery so I could just keep going. So the app coordinates my panels with the battery and my car. So if I'm charging and the power goes out, it'll stop the charging to save the power for the battery for your house.
Amazing.
And I didn't even realize that. So this is showing you that it's coming down and it is now going to the grid. And it'll tell me what energy I'm using. There are settings, I don't really understand all of them, but I don't have to. So, because it just does it itself. And then it's coordinated with the car. So it's just wonderful.